Hello everyone, this is Shaista Khanam working as Assistant Professor in Vidyavardhini's College of Engineering and Technology, Maharashtra. Welcome to AI World. Today we are going to explore a very famous programming language, Python, a base language used in artificial intelligence world where everyone is running nowadays. Are you curious about coding? Let's explore Python. Python is a popular programming language. It is used everywhere from web development to software development. So first let's discuss what makes Python unique. Python has a simple syntax, making it easy to learn. It's look like a simple English. Next, Python is versatile. You can build websites, analyze data, or create AI applications. Now let's break down the steps to start with Python. Step 1. Install Python from the official website. It is straightforward and free. Step 2. Choose an integrated development environment IDE. Popular choices include PyCharm, Jupyter Notebook, VS Code, etc. Step 3. Write your first program. This simple code looks like print hello world. Even I have printed welcome to AI world. So it's a simple command and it is a simple English command which is very much understood, which can be easily understood by everyone. So it is simply, you can see in the output window, it is printing whatever you are writing in a double quote. Now let's explain why Python is beneficial. Python has vast libraries. These libraries save time by providing a built-in function. Community support is another advantage. Thousands of developers share their knowledge online. In summary, Python is a user-friendly and versatile. It opens doors to numerous programming fields. So, ready to dive in? So, start your Python journey today. Download Python and begin coding. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any doubt, please write in comment.